If you've been looking for a full body, fast, get in and out workout that is also PCOS friendly, then I have got you covered. Hey sisters, I'm Shantel and I have struggled with PCOS for more than 25 years. If you've seen this video here, then you know I am talking all about low impact, resistant movement that is weightlifting, yoga, Pilates, walking, Qigong, and all the wonderful things. So let's get into this workout because I really need this. But today I am so super excited because I am going to be working with my beautiful, delicious husband. So my husband is kind enough to put some programs together for me and help me on my journey. And these workouts are PCOS friendly specific. So we are making sure that we're targeting keeping our cortisol low. We are doing low impact movements. We are doing muscle resistance. And the point is to build muscle and to lose fat, belly fat, or fat wherever you have on your body, and to just keep your stress hormones as low as possible. So with that, let me bring my gorgeous husband in and we will get the ball rolling. I'm very nervous. So we are going to start off with a warm-up. We're going to do our workout and then we will do some stretching at the end, all of which I need. So to get started, I'm going to turn it over to my husband and he is going to direct this wonderful magic.
All right, so let's start first with step jacks, which is a low impact version of jumping jack, with just stepping out and coming back. Yep, coming back. Go ahead, babe. And we'll do this just for 20 to 30 seconds just to get the blood flowing. It's not high impact. It's going to just get you ready to then put some resistance on. You'll start with one side, then you'll move to the other side. Just keep on going. So let's move on to torso twist. So in order to do torso twist, you're just swinging basically from side to side, loosening up your back, turning your whole body like you're swinging a golf club.
We're golfing.
We're golfing.
Exciting. Like a washing machine.
Yeah, make sure you get your feet into it like Shantel is doing here, so you can twist even further than just standing still.
I feel like one of those ballerinas in a jewelry box. It actually feels really good on my back.
Yeah, it loosens out the back and you're ready to then do some movements. We just don't want to pull anything in this exercise routine. All right, let's move on to high knees, which is going to be slow, but just you'll put your hands out and just knee up to your hand. Another 20 to 30 seconds. Be good.
I like it.
So then, as the final warm-up, we'll go ahead and do some arm circles. We'll start with narrow circumference, and then slowly get wider and wider. And as you get to the full length, you'll want to start reversing and come back in. As you can probably hear my shoulder crack. Just get everything loosened up.
It's the sign of an athlete.
Yeah. And then get wider.
If I could just tell you, if you're self-conscious about your arms, your bat wings, girl, don't be, okay? Don't be.
And now reverse direction.
Today's workout is a 6-exercise whole body circuit. You can do anywhere from 3 to 5 rounds of this circuit, just depending on your time, your strength, and all the things. We're starting out with a demonstration of our very first movement, and that is air squats. This is one of the most beneficial things you can possibly do for your body. It works so many key things: your core, your glutes, your quads, your hamstrings, and all the things. Also, your breathing. I start breathing so hard in this workout because I'm definitely out of shape. I have not been keeping up with my workouts, but that is a whole different video. But these are a struggle and they feel so good. Next up, we're moving on to wall push-ups. You can certainly do regular push-ups if you are able. I have some issues with inflammation in my elbows, which causes me some discomfort. So this is just a demonstration of what it looks like from behind and what it looks like from the side. You can go as wide as you need to or as narrow as you need to get your push-ups done. Just make sure that you are keeping your shoulders back and down, your core is tight, and that is going to take a lot of pressure off of your elbows. Next up, we have pulse lunges. Lunges are my least favorite thing to do, but like air squats, they work your body, your booty, all the things. If you do not have the flexibility that my husband has or the strength, then you can do a modified version, which is what I am doing. I have very tight tendons, especially on my right ankle, so I try to be very careful with what I'm doing. I also right now just don't have the flexibility to do a lower lunge, so I'm going to do this modified one. We are still getting our work in, I promise you. This hurts. You're just going to do 12 pulses on one leg. You're going to turn around and do 12 pulses on the other leg. Next up, we have chair tricep dips. For these dips, you want to have a sturdy chair that is pushed up against a wall or something that is very, very sturdy so that you don't get injured. Watch your form here. One tip I will give you, the further out you have your legs, the more work your triceps are doing. A more modified version is bringing your feet closer to your knees so you have more of a 90-degree angle there. Next, glute bridges. These babies burn, but oh my God, the booty that you get if you do these consistently. So when you are bringing your hips and your booty up off the ground, you want to make sure you are contracting those glutes. You are tightening your core. You should not be a wet noodle here. No wet noodles allowed. Our next exercise is V-ups. These babies burn, but they do a beautiful job at sculpting your abs. So here we are just doing a fold where we are bringing our legs up and we are bringing our arms up at the same time. If you cannot do a V-up, I am struggling, as you can see. You can simply bring your legs up if that's easier for you until you can work up to bringing your arms up at the same time. Last up, we're just going to do a little bit of stretching to get the muscles nice and relaxed. You can do any stretching you want, really, but just make sure that you are focusing on taking care of your glutes, your hamstrings, and all the body parts, really. Child's pose is one of my absolute favorites. I love this one so much. I could do it all day long. After this, we're just going to stretch out our quads, but really anything you would like to do. I want to make videos that you want to see, so please make sure and comment down below and let me know what kind of workouts you are interested in watching and following along with. If you want full version workouts where you are working out with me, I would love to make those for you. Just comment down below and let your girl know. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.